Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. For me, it's Wednesday. For you guys, I don't know what day it's going to be when this actually goes up, but I've caught up on sleep, and that's about it. I've done about this much out of all the things that I need to do after coming home from vacation. Started unpacking yesterday. I'm not here to just blabber on. I do have a box opening for you guys, but yesterday I started to unpack to do laundry. Oh, my hair is a disaster right now. And I realized that one of our bags had been rifled through. Not just rifled through, but it looked like it was dumped out. There was actual dirt and leaves inside my suitcase. And I don't know what they thought they were looking for, but this was the suitcase that had my expensive jewelry in it. And it was very clearly rifled through. Like the lids weren't on some things. The packaging was kind of discombobulated. All of my jewelry was matted. So it looks like they just went through the bag and just threw everything back in instead of actually putting it back the way it needed to be put back. Which is kind of upsetting because, like I said, it had my expensive jewelry in it. It had some of my shoes, which, as you guys know, my shoes are also expensive. I don't know. We don't think anything is missing. We kind of went through it yesterday, and it doesn't seem like anything is missing. It just looked like everything was a disaster. But TSA, when they go through your bag, they're supposed to put a note in your bag saying, hey, your bag was checked. And our bags have been checked in the past. I don't know why they feel, I don't know if there's something that goes through the x-ray that makes them feel like they need to unpack the bag or whatever. But generally there's always a note in there, and things are at least put back in a decent order. Like, I don't know, it just seemed like they dumped everything out on the ground and then put it back. So there were dresses in there that generally I wouldn't wash because they need dry cleaning. Now I have to take those to the dry cleaners and spend money, and I don't know. It's just a little disheartening that TSA would treat people's expensive things like that. So that's my little bitch for the day. I will put a timestamp if you don't care about that. We have boxes. So I'm just gonna grab a box here. I'm pretty sure that this is Therabox, and also I cannot find my scissors, so I don't even know how this works. we are opening boxes with this today. Let's get into this. So we have Therabox, and I don't know what month this is. This did arrive yesterday in September, so I don't know if this is September's box or if it's August's box. I'll go back through my videos and I'll put it on the screen so you know if it's August or September's. And also, I don't know how much it costs. That'll also be on the screen. Let's get into this box. Also, my shirt says, I don't sweat, I sparkle. You can't see it all, but that's what it says. I thought I would wear a bright and cheery shirt today because, you know, the luggage thing. Anywho, Therabox. So this is, if you have been paying attention, Therabox is usually one of my favorite boxes to open. So I open it up and this is what I see. Hold on, my water spilled over. Glad I had a lid. Okay, so I pull this out first, and yeah, I guess they're okay. So inside here, it does tell you the items that are in here, and it tells you how much they're worth. So I pull that out, and it says, "I wish you every happiness on the little sticker. You probably can't see that. So let's see. I open it up, and then this is what I see. So this first thing I'm pulling out is, I cannot pronounce that. Pzizz. P-Z-I-Z-Z. I don't know. Oh, and please, again, ignore my fingernail polish. Like I said, I've got nothing done. I just barely started unpacking yesterday, so I'm still looking for my deodorant. I'm still looking for my razor. It's been a mess. Anyway, so it says Sleep Nap Focus, best I've used by a mile. So it's probably just an app to help you sleep. That's cool. I have insomnia, if you are not aware. I'm sorry, you guys, this hair is driving me nuts. I'm gonna put it up. Sorry, I can't do it anymore. I'm at least gonna put it in a ponytail, because it is, I've got my fan blowing and it's just hanging out in my face. So I'm just gonna throw it up in a ponytail. There we go. All right, that's a little bit better. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out, or the next thing I am pulling out, is a sleep mask. And I actually just, if you've watched any of my hauls in Paris, I just actually bought a sleep mask. So I am very, very particular about my sleep masks. And they need to be silk, or the feeling of silk. I can't do the fuzzy ones because they get really hot. And for some reason, when I sleep, my face and my head gets really, really hot. So I need things to help me sleep that are going to keep me cool. So my face mask has to be the satiny feel on both sides. Trust me, I've tried all of them. And so this is perfect, and it says Namaste, and it is silk on both sides, or at least faux silk on both sides. So that is nice. I am happy to have that. And that retails for $14.95. Now, like I said, I just bought one at Sephora. So the thing with these, or I have noticed the thing with most sleep masks is eventually these get stretched out. So it is nice to have multiple. Now, I do have some that I can't wear because I've tried them, you know, cute little fuzzy ones with little eyes on the outside and stuff like that. But anyway, that's a good product. The next thing I am pulling out is, the lid it just now came off when I tugged on it. It says Sleeping Beauty. And it is from Molly with love, and it is a pillow spray. Let's see what it's made out of. It is worth $17.99, and it says, when you sleep, our skin cells repair and harmful toxins are removed, making sleep the ultimate beauty secret and the first step to a successful skincare routine. Proven to provide a better night's sleep, the Sleeping Beauty Spray is like Ambien in a bottle. Made with therapeutic grade essential oils, this spray has an aromatic scent to promote peaceful. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna tell you right now, if it has lavender in it, I'm not spraying it on my pillow. So let's see. The spray can be applied not only to your linens, but also to your hair and body. A plus if you love the smell of lavender and chamomile. Chamomile is fine. I don't like lavender. Okay, let me rephrase that. I don't like heavily scented lavender. All right, so I'm gonna spray it. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm cool with that. That works. I will use that. It's actually very lightly scented with lavender. I can actually smell chamomile, and there's another scent in there that I can also smell. I'm not sure what it is, but it's sweet. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Dr. Botanical's PO. And it's pomegranate superfood regenerating sleep mask. I think I have this. So I will probably just pass this along. Number 4, it is worth $15. I'm pretty sure I have this. If I do, I will just pass it along. But it is a good product if I'm remembering correctly. The next thing I am pulling out is a coconut milk bath bomb. And so this is, it retails for $10. A bath bomb that retails for $10. That's a little bit much, but I mean, I'll use it because I always use bath bombs. Something happened to me in Paris. I am not entirely sure what, but I ended up getting contact dermatitis. So I have very, very sensitive skin. And so usually I have to use organic products, and I was not quite prepared for, I guess, the length of time we were going to be in Paris. As you guys know, I always pack my soap and my shampoo. But one of the days that I was there, it was actually the second to the last day, I ran out of soap. I ended up like breaking out on my arms, on my elbows. I don't know if you can see how red and dotty I am. And then my psoriasis, or my eczema, what is that? Anyway, it started to flare up, and it's eczema. Yeah, it's eczema. I used to have psoriasis, or at least I was told that I used to have psoriasis. This is either psoriasis or eczema, I'm not sure. But anyway, I haven't had a flare up like this in a really long time, and I have to assume that it was from the soap because that's the only thing that had changed in my routine. And this is contact dermatitis from having sensitive skin. As you can see, it's just like a bunch of little dots or whatever. Anyway, I'm trying to get my skin cleared up. So using bath bombs for hydration, for soothing, that's going to be super helpful. I totally went off on a tangent on that. I am sorry. The next thing I am pulling out is Flower Mill Body Melt, Rose and Gardenia. And let's see. This retails for $32. I usually don't like rose either, but I don't know. I might pass that along. I'm not a huge fan of rose scented things. Body melt is perfect for when your skin needs some extra hydration. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and pass this along. So somebody else might like that. Let's see. Boop, boop, boop. Next, we have a bookend. It's by Bookend Candle Company, and it's Lavender Dreams. Why are they sending me so much lavender stuff? And that's too much. Like, I can't take that. Nope. That's a no-go, but I did just put little lavender, like, it has a bunch of little, like, lavender leaves in it. And when I pulled the lid off, it spilled all over the bed. And the last thing, yep, this is the last thing. The last thing I am pulling out is a mini Forestations. I have no idea what that is. What is? We'll have to read about that. It retails. Oh wait, did I tell you what that candle retailed for? The candle retailed for $11. This retails for $10, and it says, "Dream about lavender fields and experience a freshness akin to a brisk morning sunrise." Okay, so it's a diffuser and lavender. Okay, so, and I'm assuming it comes with this. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this along. This box was heavily lavenderish. I am sad, but that's okay. It's all good. So somebody else will enjoy this diffuser, this candle, and this rose lotion. I will enjoy the bath bomb, the sleeping mask, and the sleep spray because it's not bad at all. And then I'm undecided about this. This is undetermined. I think I have this. If I do, I'll pass it along. If I don't, I'll keep it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.